Hey guys, welcome to Unreal Engine versus CryEngine tutorials. My name's Eric Lethen, and today we're going to be looking at how to create levels in both Unreal Engine and CryEngine. Alright, first we're in Unreal. If we go up to File and select New Level, there will be four options: Open World, Empty Open World, Basic, Empty Level. So if you click on Basic, you'll get all of these components already in: directional light, skylight, sky atmosphere, SM sky sphere, cloud floor, so on. There is another way you can do it. If you go to a folder that you want to make a new map and you hit level, you can make a new level, just hit 3. However, when you go inside, there is none of those components. So starting with up here and creating a new level, it helps you start out on the new level. When you create the new level this way, make sure you hit the save right afterwards. Do save it in a file, just hit 2. And when you come down, you'll see it, and now you can continue working in it. If not, your progress will be lost. All right. Now, in CryEngine, in order to create a level, you come up here to File, New, and Level, or you can hit Control+N, and you name your asset right here. Let's just name it 2. Okay. And this box will pop up. It says height resolution, which will do the smallest. Meters per unit, you can change that to your liking. We'll leave texture dimensions at 4K, and this is about compressing files, and leave that on. Okay, now you get a small terrain. It's already set in here, and then you got the ocean. Yep. All right, thanks for watching.